Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you how to create a YouTube subscribe button just like this one in Photoshop. Head over to File and click on New to create a new tab. You want to select Custom. You want to set the width to 300 and the height to 250. Click Create. You want to go to the Shape tool, click and hold. Select Rounded Rectangle tool. Make sure the color is set to red. I want to go to Edit and select Transform Path or click on Ctrl T. I want to adjust the layers. I think I'll leave it like this for now. I want to head over to Shape tool again. This time we'll select a polygon tool. I want to make sure the color is set to white and the size is set to 3. I want to draw a triangle. Select Free Transform tool. Select Horizontal Type tool. Make sure the color is set to red. As you can see, this is the font I'm using, and this is where you can change anything about the text. You want to type subscribe in caps. You want to click on Ctrl T to select the transform tool. YouTube recommended size for watermark is 150 by 150 and the file size should be below 1 MB or exactly 1 MB. So we're going to head over to Image and click on Image Size, or you can click on the keyboard shortcuts Alt Ctrl I to get there. You want to change the width to 150 and also change the height to 150. Alright, so we're satisfied with this now. You want to click OK. So you want to go ahead and export. Go to File, go to Export, and we'll use Quick Export as PNG. You want to save your file. This is how to create a YouTube subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.